About these itemen multi-ongla pole saw chainsaw combine cordless chainsaw with aft extendable rotatable pole for versatile cutting perfect for scissor and these 4 hour trim and gaunt pruning tasks long lasting battery powered avma battery this chainsaw wo first time s long garun to methana. About these itemen multi-ongla pole saw chainsaw combine cordless chainsaw with aft extendable rotatable pole for versatile cutting perfect for scissor and these 4 hour trim and gaunt pruning tasks long lasting battery powered avma battery this chainsaw wo first time s long garun to methana. About these itemen multi-ongla pole saw chainsaw combine cordless chainsaw with aft extendable rotatable pole for versatile cutting perfect for scissor and these 4 hour trim and gaunt pruning tasks long lasting battery powered avma battery this chainsaw wo first time s long garun to methana. About these itemen multi-ongla pole saw chainsaw combine cordless chainsaw with aft extendable rotatable pole for versatile cutting perfect for scissor and these 4 hour trim and gaunt pruning tasks long lasting battery powered avma battery this chainsaw wo first time s long garun to methana.